Hi everyone, welcome to English grammar class. Today we are going to discuss another parts of speech, pronoun. Now we know what is a noun. Noun is a naming word. Then what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun or noun phrase. So we can understand pronouns are words that are used in place of nouns. For example, this is Miss Ruby. She is my class teacher. Here, Miss Ruby is the noun and she is the pronoun that we use instead of noun. There are different kinds of pronoun. Here, let's discuss the most common pronouns such as personal pronouns, possessive pronouns and relative pronouns. Personal pronouns. Personal pronouns stands for three persons, that is first person, second person and third person. When pronouns are placed before verbs, they are subject pronoun. For example, I am a teacher. Here, I is the subject and am is the verb. So here is the subject pronoun is I. When pronouns are placed after verbs, they are called object pronouns. Example, Rita likes me. Here, verb is likes and object is me. Me is the object pronoun. Here is a table that's showing you how can we use persons as subject and as object. Persons, first person, in singular form we can use I as subject and me as object. First person in plural form we can use we as subject, us as object. In second person in singular form we can use you as subject and the same as object. Second person in plural form you as subject and you as object. The second person in singular and plural forms we can use as subject and object as you. Third person in singular form we can use as subject he, she, it, and as object we can use him, her, it. The same third person in plural form we can use as subject they, as object them. I will explain it with more example. Priya likes to play. Here we can add subject pronoun instead of the noun Priya. When we add she in the place of Priya, we can say she likes to play. She is the subject pronoun. Next example, Vivek Kumar is a film star. Instead of Vivek Kumar, we can use he as pronoun. These are the examples for subject pronoun. Now we can check object pronoun. First example, Rahul cannot find the key. Here the object pronoun is the key. Here we can add third person singular as object key. Instead of the key, we can add it. Now we can read Rahul cannot find it. Another example, the children played with the kittens. Here the object pronoun is the kitten. Instead of this object pronoun, we can add them. So we can read the children played with them. Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns refer to things or people that belong to someone. That means it shows possessiveness. The main possessive nouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. For example, this book is mine. Another example, I'm going to wash my hands. These words show ownership or relationship. Another kind of pronoun is relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are a part of a sentence. It relates one part of a sentence to another and also stands in for a noun or pronoun. It includes a subject and verb but does not form a sentence by itself. The main relative pronouns are who, which, whose, whom, that. When we use these relative pronouns in a sentence, we must know when, where, and how should we use it in a sentence. Now let's check and understand the table. The first relative pronoun is who. It is used for people. For example, the woman who called yesterday wanted to buy the house. Here we use who as relative pronoun to relate this sentence. Next, which. It is used for things and animals. For example, did you see the letter which came today? Here, which is used to relate this sentence. Next, whose. It is used for possessions of people, animals. For example, he is a man whose opinion I respect. Here we use whose. Then whom. It is used for people when the person in the object of the verb. For example, she is the woman whom I met in Japan. That. It refers to people, thing, or animal. Example, it's a poor mouse that has only one hole. Today we discuss the second parts of speech, pronoun, and kinds of pronoun. This much for today. Thank you.